Welcome to my channel Learning with Anosha. In today's video we are going to learn that how we can post assignment in Google Classroom. So let's open our class. Just move to classwork. Then same as adding topic and adding material, we can create assignment. So let's click on create button. Then there is an option of assignment. Click on assignment. Now add title to your assignment. So I typed assignment 1. Then you can give any instruction. It's optional. You can also upload any document from your local storage as well. So let's say I have pasted some instructions for the students. Now I'm going to add an assignment from local storage. Clicking on file and then selecting file from my device. So I'm uploading this assignment 1. Now I will click this upload button. Now you can see this assignment 1 document is attached. If you want to attach any other resource or any other link to help your students for attempting this assignment, so you can add any other link. For example, I am adding a link from a website. So I am pasting this link and adding a link. So I have added a link of C++ tutorials website. I have assigned some C++ tasks to my students. I can also add any video, YouTube video, for helping my students to complete this assignment. So clicking on add button, then clicking on YouTube. Then I will give the URL that I have copied. So I have pasted that URL. A resource is added. Now I will click add button. And now I have all the material here. I'm pasting it for one class, that is OOP. I can also copy this assignment for multiple classes. For example, I can also select my second class and this assignment will be assigned to that class as well. Same, I can select the students. I've selected all students. I can select only 1 or 2 or any number of students for this assignment. I will assign some marks for this assignment, or either this assignment would be ungraded, means no grade. So I'm going to assign 10 points to this assignment, and I will just decide the due date. For example, it will be 25th of June 2020. Now I will select some topic. So I need to create an appropriate topic for assignment. Let's say, so I have assigned the name of the topic as assignment, and now I will post this assignment. I can post this assignment immediately or schedule it to some other day. So I'm assigning this assignment. So now you can see the assignment is posted and assignment is assigned to 1 student and 0 students submitted this assignment. It means this number is equal to the number of students in your class. For example, you have 10 members in your class, then this number will be 10, that this assignment is assigned to 10 students. Or if you have assigned this assignment to only 3 students, the number will be 3, and this how many students submitted the assignment will show here. So 0 means there is no submission of the assignment. Let me show you one important setting for this assignment. I'm going to edit this assignment. For example, I'm going to view, and then I'm going to instructions, and I'm going to edit this assignment. So I'm going to edit this assignment and making a very important setting, that is, number one, each student can view this file. I can change it to student can edit this file. It means all the students can edit this single file, but I don't need to do that. I mean, this is not making sense for me that one single assignment is editing by all the students. So I just can select this student can view only the file, and they can upload their own work. That student can upload his or her own work. So just save this. So now I have assigned an assignment to my student. There is another option for assigning marks or grades to the students, that is rubric. In any upcoming video I will discuss what is rubric, and in the next video I will discuss how student will submit this assignment. Thank you.